So let's play the game of the Bulldozer. Remember those big trucks, tractors that have this smashy thing and smash over everything? So you gotta be careful for me not to smash you. So I am the Bulldozer, I'm the big roller here. If I roll this side, you have to get that leg up. If I roll the other side, you have to grab the other leg up. And I'm gonna try to trick you onto catching your leg and smash you. But you cannot let me here. My turn. You're the Bulldozer. Roll. Other side. Try to catch my leg. Try to catch. Oh, you smashed me. Good job.